Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Deidre and happy Reggae Month! Okay, activities kicked off today to commemorate the 66th anniversary of the birthday of Crown Prince of Reggae Dennis Brown. Fans and officials gathered at the resting place of Brown at National Heroes Park this afternoon for a wreath-laying ceremony with fitting performances from Dean Fraser, China Smith and Inadiyad Bingistra. State Minister in the Ministry of Culture and Entertainment, Orlando Terrelong, spoke to the significance of remembering our reggae greats in this special way.
When we think of reggae, it's more than music. Reggae is Jamaica. And as we celebrate Reggae Month, we're going to be paying special tribute, starting with the Crown Prince of Reggae himself, Dennis Brown. Of course, Bob Marley's birthday is in a few days and lots of activities planned around that as well, So it truly is an honor to be able to represent the government as we pay tribute to the past, recognizing that it is on their legacy that we stand, that Jamaica's culture stand, because we are in fact a global powerhouse for music.
Terrelong took the opportunity to encourage all Jamaicans to enjoy the free island-wide live reggae events.
So obviously, we want to encourage all Jamaicans, to go to the live events. There'll be several events across the parishes and stuff. If you check our website, the website through the JCDC as well, etc. We do have our Reggae Month committee. Stay glued to social media as well and the television, because we will be doing our public education campaign, not just about the events, but also in terms of the history, the legacy of reggae, what our great icons did for our culture and so forth.
The celebration for Dennis Brown continues tonight at Jario Wednesday with Revolution, the Crown Prince Dennis Brown. And you can also head downtown to the Festival Marketplace on the waterfront with headliners Chris Martin, George Nooks and Rasai. Grammy-winning roots rock reggae band Morgan Heritage released their first single for the year over the weekend. The single, Just a Number, according to the band, is an awareness anthem which sparks the conversation around a much-needed topic surrounding the unfortunate reality of how one can jeopardize their legacy or financial accomplishments because of their personal views or opinions.
We are just a number, and say we name ain't worth a thing. And if we want fame, then we have to sing. Play a bar, run track and all start a thing. While them can let me ring them, and we are just a number. And say we name ain't worth a thing.
Morgan Heritage is gearing up for their Legacy World Tour. Now the Queen Bee is back. The Beehive has been buzzing all day today as Beyonce this morning announced her 2023 Renaissance Tour with a breathtaking picture and simple post: Renaissance World Tour 2023. The tour will see the Queen across Europe and North America, starting this May with the European and UK leg with dates in Brussels and Paris and London's Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, going all the way to September with the shows in Canada and North America. Tickets are not yet on sale, but industry critics are expecting it to break a Ticketmaster Live once again. Just a few weeks ago, Beyonce broke her 4-year performance hiatus at the launch of a luxury hotel in Dubai. The Break My Soul singer broke the bank with a $45 million paycheck. Talk about being a superstar and knowing your worth. $45 million. I'm Deidre reporting for E Prime. Thank you for watching.